You're watching Retro Phones and Stuff. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Do you know which phone did I refurbish first? Well, restored first. Some of you may know, some of you may not know, but my first phone, my first video restoring a phone was with my old friend from high school, that being the Nokia N73, which when I had it as my main phone back then, I also changed the product code and installed the Music Edition firmware. So now it's in Music Edition. But yeah, that was my first phone to restore. And since that being the first video that I've done restoring, I was an amateur at editing and filming and restoring as well. So yeah, I'm going to do a new restoration of a N73. Now, this may be a sarcastic question, but where can I find some N73s that are not refurbished? Yeah. Here, I have a few. This is one, this is another. This is the... I don't know if this is the Music Edition or not, but usually a black body shell meant a Music Edition, but we'll see. This is definitely a Music Edition. This is not a Music Edition, but it's black. Yeah, this is also not a Music Edition. This is also not a Music Edition. Well, I'm gonna restore a normal N73 now, and the Music Edition in the next video, because I wanted to do this for a while. So let's not waste any more time and pick one. So I've sorted them out, so we don't waste any more time. These three have problems. This one has a cracked display, so I can't see anything on it. And honestly, I forgot the problems of the other two, so I'll just put them aside. So we have this other tree that works. This is the Music Edition version, so we will take it away from now, because we need to do, in this video I'm going to do this thing, the normal one. So what I did not check, they're all unlocked, not restricted in any network. Purple body shell, nice. Too bad it's cracked. Yeah, but what I haven't checked, which one has less stock towers. So that's what I need to check now. And so I know that we won't waste any more time. I got another batteries. O2 genuine. Huh. I've also did some hard reset on them, so. $672 talk towers, yeah. Shit. 267 talk towers. $59 talk towers. Boy, you are a champion. I mean, yeah, even the buttons don't look too bad. Yeah, I'll do this one. I'm gonna put these aside. These buttons are to keep. It's been a while since I've disassembled the N73. I even forgot how it looks inside. But I do have a hunch though, so. Long screw style. disconnecting those two. I like that everything is removable. Blah, blah, blah. I like that everything is removable from the main board. There we go. Be careful when taking this out because, well, I'll show you in a second. First issue is the joystick. Sensitive stuff here. It's glued to this thing. I could have just leave it here, but when you take this out, you can also take out the memory card door. Yeah. So this whole assembly is the joystick, the buttons, and the memory card slot. Oh, and if you want to remove the joystick cover, just pull it out. Like there. Are you freaking kidding me? Did this thing just snap? Bro, I was trying to show you something and this is what I get. Bruh. It's stuck in here. This wasn't how it was supposed to be removed. Oh, that's why you need more phones for parts. I'm gonna take it from the other one. Yeah. I'll see if I keep this, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Well, stuff like this happens, so be careful. If you don't want to change that, don't pull it out. Simple. This is the earpiece, which I'm not gonna risk breaking as well because it's glued. I'll leave that as it is. Also be careful with these connector, these things that are looking like it connects to the main board because they're sharp. They can easily pinch your skin. I like this angry chicken over here. Yeah, something like this. This is the camera, which will come out with the main board. This is, from the battery here. Yeah. Just pull the sides and push it up. Easy. The camera, big camera module, but a good camera. The main board. It's looking quite dashing, if I do say so myself. Now, boom. Hey, yeah, boy. It's in one piece, like I like it. Okay, this is challenging. Oh, man, it snapped. Seriously? Of course it snapped. So, I need a D-pad and a speaker. Good. Next. This whole thing is the antenna. Oh, really? I could have let the speaker in there. Actually, no, it needed to be clean. Actually, these volume buttons are looking good. And the camera and the media button. Rare for it to look good. And this chrome, it's easy to, how to say it, unchrome. Now, charging port and the microphone. There you go. We need these two connectors. One. See these two. Well, this one left. N2. Yeah, this body shell is not that bad. Who knows, maybe I'll paint it. Now, which one of these had a good speaker? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take it from these other ones. See, this is how it's supposed to come off. You just pull it. Man, desperate times, man. Oh, man. Playing this guy. Finally out. What was wrong with this thing? I don't care. Whew. Yeah. So we keep in this one. See how the buttons work. And I'm gonna take the speaker from here. There we go. Yay. Okay. I do hope it's not making weird sounds. I'm gonna skip the cleaning process and get to the assembly. See you soon. So you will not believe this, but I've disassembled another one for the display, because this display has a little scratch right here. And after I cleaned this display, it has a lot of these dots. These are also scratches. So out of curiosity, if you were restoring this phone, which display you would have chosen? Or chosen? My English bad. Yeah. This one with scratched, with dots of, with scratch like dots, or this one with this tiny scratch here? I think I'm gonna choose the one with the small scratch here and be done with it. Cool. But I'm curious about what you would have chosen. Leave a comment, please. Here we have the new body shell. Man, why are these always assembled? It's annoying. Yep, non-original body shell, but sold as an original. I mean, I knew they weren't original. They can't trick me with this. But nothing else I could find, so. Wow, not even the side buttons. Good thing I have those good side buttons. Man, I was inspired. Yeah. Honestly, I bought better body shells than this one. Also non-original, but way better. This one, it's a bit of a mockery, but yeah. This is one of those Chinese body shells that need extra adjustment. Oh, even the SIM card door is missing. Good, good. Good. Side here. Media button, well, the gallery button mostly. Okay, it is in. Now for the camera button. This is what you have to do with the non-original body shells. Make extra adjustments. Okay. Oh, come on, you stay in there. Okay, better. Finally in. Man, this was annoying. Okay. Now for this speaker, going like this. Okay. Can actually put this thing in here now. Yeah. There's something about this cover that's just goes in too hard. Okay. Now, surprisingly, the buttons are pressing good. Well, this is the finished product. Not exactly something that I'm 100% proud of, but it's the best I could do with the material that I have. Okay, good. Testing the stereo speakers. Okay, I'm gonna exit the camera and see if it. Yes, it works. That light screen, that only comes on the camera when you're facing the sun, or it has a strong light in front of it. Oh, one last thing to check. Yep, it works as well. Boom. Everything works. Oh, last button. Yeah, again, everything works. Now let's test the light sensor if the buttons will light up. Yep, they lighted up. Even the screen auto adjusts depending on the light. See? Also, let's open the gallery. The buttons also light up. Good. Thumbnail. Now, before I finish this video, just for everyone out there to know, this is the packaging that the body shell came in. This is not for an original Nokia parts. This is how I also got the music edition one. Apparently this one it's more complete, it has the accessories as well. This is what I'm going to use on my next restoration video. And honestly, it's kind of the same quality, but at the same time a bit better made. Yeah. Anywho, the next video, like I said, I'm gonna do the music edition next time. The next video that I'm gonna do with the music edition will be a short video, because I'm also going to upload it on TikTok. That's right, I made a TikTok account with phones. And I'll take some short videos from here to put there. Right, so until next time, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Bye. Oh, and beware of scammers.